Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's the day. See if you are the winner of my small giveaway. The winner of last week's giveaway never responded. So actually I'm going to be pulling for 2 giveaway winners today. So the first giveaway was for the translucent powder and a jewelry piece. I already have it sealed and it was all ready to be shipped off. I didn't have anyone's label on it yet because the person never responded, so I couldn't mail it anywhere. So let's go ahead, and the people that wanted this particular giveaway, your names are still in here, which is very unusual because I like to get them all in alphabetical order for the next giveaway. But I left your names in here because the person that I pulled, I didn't recognize her as being someone that comments on my videos, but she was subscribed. So I thought, I'll hold off, and I'm glad I did. But here are the names of the people that wanted the translucent powder, and it was a jewelry piece. Okay, so I've got everyone in here that wanted it. I can't even read this one. Susan's just making it, I think that says, because I don't have my glasses on. Jen, and I'm just naming a few. Garla and Cherokee, Stacy. I mean, you guys are all in here, trust me. So I'm going to go ahead and let Nicole pick my winner. Nicole is my 35-year-old daughter. I have a 35-year-old daughter. I do. And here she is.
There you go.
But she'll never make an appearance, and I don't know why. All right. So it is.
Hi.
There she is. She made an appearance.
Throw this away.
Okay, so unfortunately, that person was not subscribed to me. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pull another name. And again, this was for not last week's giveaway, but the giveaway did previous, because they never responded. So go ahead, Nicole.
Here you go.
Okay. This one is, and I know this person has won from me before, and it is Alyssa Fortson. Let me see if I can get this because it's sticky. So here it is right here. So Alyssa Fortson, you have won the translucent powder and the jewelry piece. That's what you won. All right. So I still have another giveaway that I have to pick. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I got to put all new names in here and get that all situated, because not everybody enters every giveaway I do, because some of them are things they don't want, I guess. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get that one up. And as soon as I do, I'm going to combine these 2 videos and we're going to go from there. Bye for now. Hi everyone. Okay, I'm back. So the last week's giveaway was for this lip kit right here. So, and I believe this was it. I'm going to go back and check the video to make sure, but I think this was the only thing in that giveaway. Again, if not, I will check the video. You'll get the whole giveaway, whatever else was in it. But here's the people that entered right here. So I'm just going to name a few. Here's Nancy, Angie, Life with Lois's, and Jen, and Stacy, April. So you are all in here, all right? I've never had anyone question me whether or not they were really in this bucket, but I just wanted to kind of go over, when people do these kind of giveaways like this, you never really know, is my name in that bucket? I promise you, your name's in this bucket if you put the secret word in a sentence. All right. Anyway, Nicole, would you like to draw another name?
Yes.
All righty.
Let me see. This one.
This one? Okay, so who? Okay, So this was not staged at all. I swear to you, Alyssa, you just won both of the giveaways, and I have the other one already sealed. I'm gonna have to, well, just get a bigger envelope, I guess, or just stick it in there. But I mean, here you guys all are. I mean, I swear, you guys are in here. Jen, Life with Lois's, and here's Stacy, Morgan. You guys are all in this bucket. So here's Melissa Duggar right here. So yeah, it just so happens Alyssa won both the giveaways by chance. So everyone congratulate the winner if you can in the comments without saying who won, because I want them to watch the entire video. I'm going to do another small giveaway right now. Okay, so let's get started. Brooklyn is in the way. So a while back I had a giveaway, and somebody won this. And then what happened was the post office that I mailed it from, which is not a post office, it was a store, and they don't seem to put enough postage on the packages. So the person that I mailed it to, of course, did not pay for the extra postage. They were not supposed to pay. So it was in the mail like forever. It took so long for it to get back to me, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. I finally got it back, and I'm not going to say any names, but those people that won this are disqualified from any of my giveaways. So I did receive this back. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is. It's just costume jewelry in here. And you get this little bag from Ipsy. And you will get a pink and a white beaded stretch bracelets. And then this necklace right here. Now, this is all jewelry that I got from a mystery jewelry haul that I did from Goodwill, or actually I think it was from the Salvation Army. And it's all, you know, just play jewelry. That's all this is. So it's nothing fancy, nothing big. But if you do, or if you're a crafter, maybe you can use the beads for something else, or you know, just use your imagination. If you have a granddaughter that would love to play with jewelry, or daughter, sorry, I'm talking grandkids because, you know, I'm in my 50s, and, you know, I have teenagers, but I also have a grandson that is, what is he now, 15? Or did he'll turn 16 in April. So yeah, anyway, I also have a 16-year-old son. Yeah, my son and my grandson were born 4 months apart. Anyway, Brooklyn. Anyways, that is the small giveaway that I am doing for this time around. It's just a little, you know, I don't know if anyone would even be interested, but if you are interested, please go ahead and use the word
Table.
Table. I think we've used that word before, but maybe not, but we'll use it again.
Oh.
Table.
How about John?
No, we'll just stick with table.
Okay.
All right. So the word is table. I eat at my table. My table is always a mess. I have clutter all over my table. Whatever you want to say, just use the word table in your comments below if you are interested in this small giveaway. All right. And what else? You have to be subscribed to me. And you have to be publicly subscribed to where when I look, I see my mugshot in your subscriptions. And so make sure that they are public. Also, nobody except me has anything to do with these giveaways. If they are lost in the mail or anything like that, I can't replace these items. I mean, a lot of these, you know, like I said, I got these from Salvation Army jewelry mystery box, so can't replace them. You must live in the lower 48 states. in the United States because I'm not paying big bucks for shipping. I did have to cancel a lot of my boxes right now, which it's okay. I'll get over it. No, I probably won't. I won't get over it. It'll be, I will be like watching everybody unbox their stuff and being like, oh, darn it. Anyway, forget I said all that. Okay, so the word table, and you must be subscribed, and let's see, lower 48 states, and YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. Once it's out of my hands, I have nothing to do with this giveaway. So, everybody, if you do not want to enter this giveaway, please still comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. I do weekly giveaways, and I really want you to be subscribed in order to win any of my giveaways. In fact, it's a requirement. So if you, you know, some giveaways are better than others, but anyway, that's it for now, you guys. Thank you so much. And oh, and I wanted to mention, if you guys are still here, I don't know if you're still here or not watching me, but this necklace here, I got this from my husband for Valentine's Day. And my husband is Jewish, and this actually says love in Hebrew. So I think it is just very, very pretty. I haven't taken it off since. I'm showering with it and everything. So that's what this is all about, my jewelry piece here. Love it. So anyway, have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.